here's how you can transfer full data from your Android to the iPhone. Let me explain how you could approach this. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Well, you can most definitely approach it on a manual basis, like, copying photos or sharing stuff over cloud services, right? Or signing in with the same account and getting access to the same stuff when you're moving devices. But the best way to move everything from Android to the iPhone would be by going to the Play Store on your Android device and get the app which is called Move to iOS. So this is an app dedicated specifically for this purpose. It has 100 million plus downloads. And the point is that you have the ability to switch from Android to iOS using this service, right? So you basically set up all of the permissions inside of the app. You just go through it. And then you put the phones side by side, open up the apps on two devices, or, just make sure you open it on the Android and then have the iPhone ready. And you just follow the instructions to make sure that you go through all of that and you can copy literally all of the data like that from your Android to the iPhone. So that is something which you could definitely do. You could also give the app some different permissions based on what you want to share, and you have some control of what exactly you want to move over. But I believe that this is the most comprehensive way of moving stuff, of moving data like your photos and other things from Android platform to the iPhone. So let me know in the comments below if you found what you needed. I hope that I was able to be helpful with that. In case of any questions and thoughts, leave them below. For now, that's it, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.